Okay, still day 2, part 2, 2015. Let's continue on. Right. Okay, the elves are also running low on ribbon. Okay, ribbon for our presents. Ribbon is all the same width, so they only have to worry about the length they need to order, which they would again like to be exact. The ribbon required to wrap a present is the shortest distance around its sides or the smallest perimeter of any one face. Each present also requires a bow made out of the ribbon as well. The feet of ribbon required for the perfect bow is equal to the cubic feet of volume of the present. Don't ask how they tie the bow, though they'll never tell. Right, so shortest distance around its sides or the smaller perimeter of any one face. I think that's the same, just rewording the same item. Yeah, so for example, a present with dimensions 2 times 3 times 4 requires 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3, 10 feet of ribbon to wrap the present, plus 2 times 3 times 4, 24 feet of ribbon for the bow, for a total of 34. 1 by 1 by 10 gets us 4 feet of ribbon to wrap the present, plus 1 times 1 times 10 equals 10 feet of ribbon for the bow, for a total of 14 feet. How many total feet of ribbon should they order? Okay, so same presents again, and we are now just going to update our results here. So this is going to be 34 feet we should be getting from there, and if we go to other puzzle, other test, that should be 14. Okay, so really we don't need much from this existing one, because we're not interested in areas. We're interested in the shortest distance around the perimeter. So yeah, we just need perimeters. Same will be U32 free array, and we will need volume. So let's do that. Well, I think we'll calculate rather than calculating on the fly, we'll calculate as on creation. So that's just going to be U32. So we've got the sides already from our previous one. So new items that split the X sides. Yeah, so I think we just need to we can do let volume. Of course, it's going to be sides 1 times sides 1 times sides 2. Just do that, and then the perimeters is going to be similar to what we did with the areas, which is going to be +1 plus this time. No, because we want the whole perimeter, so yeah, 2 times each. 2 times this one, 2 times that one, 2 times 3. Okay, so that will give us our 4 perimeters, and then we can return self with perimeters and volume. So that's us created, and we can do away with surface area because we're not interested in this for this puzzle. And what do we need to do with those? It requires the volume, yeah, and the smallest out of those is the 10 feet. So I just need to find the smallest of those. So we've already got the volume, so we can just return that. We don't need to necessarily need that this time. We can just put it here, present.volume, because we've already calculated it, and let's just combine this all together there. So rather than areas this time, we're going to iterate through the perimeters and take the minimum, and yep, sum them up, sum everything else up. Right, let's see if we do cargo test on this. Great, they pass. Now for the real test, let's do cargo run on the puzzle input. Okay, another big number. Let's see what happens. We copy and paste that into our answer. And there we go, yes, another gold star, fantastic. So yep, calculating the perimeters, volume, adding them all together, summing them all up. So very similar to part 1, just a different bit of maths. Great, now we can go on to day 3. See you in the next one.